Oh! Look, guys. I'm currently in 3rd place in AOY, which means I have to fish well today. Because every fish matters, but it does add that little bit of pressure where you can't have an off day. Come on. There we go. It's not huge, but it's a keeper. 15.75. Oh, good one. Good one. Come on. Come on. Is he stuck? Oh, he's stuck. He's off. Yes! Alright, we're flipping the rest of the day. We're flipping, baby. 17. Alright, 2's the pattern. Got one. Oh no! He came off at the net. He touched the net, dude. What am I doing? What am I doing? Ah. Bites. A good bite's hard to come by. That was like a 15. Dang it. It was just a bad net job. Gosh. There we go. There we go. 14. I can't believe I dumped that fish, dude. Usually it doesn't bother me. Like, I'll dump fish and it's just like, okay, whatever. But a good bite is hard to come by. It was just a lazy, limp net job. Yes! Well, that color change worked. It's a good one. A little over 16. Yep. Come on, be decent. Oh! Oh, no. The final standings today are going to be a hard pill to swallow. That one, I don't know what I could have done because he was barely hooked. And I tried turning him and it came off. But I had to turn him. Yeah, we still have a 13.5 and a 14 in the limit. So that's 2 fish we lost, man. There we go. There we go. All right, don't screw up this net job. Yes, let's go. Let's go. That's the biggest one. Second biggest in the limit. 16.5. We need one more. We got a 14-incher in the limit. We got to get rid of. There we go. Come That'll do. That's a good one. Let's go. Let's go. 16.75. It's a 2.75 call. We are in shot of top 3. It's tough. I think I got 82. 82? Yeah. Maybe. Jesse's got 86 last I checked. I really need one more kicker fish. I'll have a kicker. That ain't it. Oh my god. I got slapped hard. Oh, dude. The hook went into the bait. That was a good hit. That wasn't like a little dink hit. Alright, couldn't get the kicker. Whew. Man. Alright, I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna do some troubleshooting on this battery. See you guys.